Welcome, my dears. Let's get to know the most important characteristics of the stork. Let's go. 1. Storks are large birds with long legs and necks, making them easily recognizable. 2. They have a distinctive pointed beak that is used for catching and eating fish, frogs, and other small animals. 3. Storks are known for their impressive wingspan, which can reach up to 2.3 meters in some species. 4. These birds are known for their unique nesting behavior, often building large stick nests in trees or on man-made structures. 5. Storks are migratory birds, traveling long distances between their breeding and wintering grounds. 6. They are known for their graceful soaring flight, using thermal air currents to glide effortlessly through the sky. 7. Storks are monogamous birds, forming long-lasting pair bonds with their mates. 8. They are often associated with good luck and fertility in many cultures around the world. 9. Storks have a distinctive vocalization, often making loud clattering or rattling sounds. 10. These birds are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats, from wetlands and grasslands to urban areas.